In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an extension in Google Antigravity, so just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Google Antigravity software on your computer. Now, once Antigravity opens, look on the left sidebar and click on the extensions icon. Now, after that, you'll see a search box at the top, so just type the name of the extension you want to install. Now, once the extension appears, just click on it to open the extension details page. Now here, you'll see a blue Install button, so just click on Install. Now a pop-up will appear asking for confirmation, so just click on Trust Publisher and Install. Now wait a few seconds and the extension will be installed automatically. Now once the install finishes, the extension will be ready to use inside Google Antigravity. And that's it. That's how you install an extension in Google Antigravity. If this helps you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.